Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and in this video I'm going to show you how to dry fit the mainframe, install the mainframe with the P-hook, and set the panels. The first step is to attach our P-hook adapter to the P-hook. Here's our P-hook, and since it's a pocket right, the pocket hook or the P-hook is going to face this orientation. To attach the P-hook adapter, this side of the adapter is going to fit into this channel, and it's going to create a perfect 90-degree angle. I have the assembled P-hook adapter and P-hook up to my substrate. Depending on your install, you might need to notch the bottom of the P-hook. This is the time to do it before attaching it to your substrate. For this pocket door, I am going to notch the P-hook. I'm going to set the sill riser on top of the track, mark it, and notch the P-hook accordingly. I've notched the P-hook. I'm ready to file the product approval to determine exactly where each fastener needs to go in my P-hook to attach it to the substrate. I've applied the appropriate sealant behind the P-hook. I'm ready to use the appropriate fasteners to attach the P-hook to the substrate. After inspection, you can snap the P-hook cover onto the P-hook. Use shims at every fasten location when needed. Your shim should fully support the mainframe, as well as ensuring the frame stays square, level, true, and plumb. Before I can anchor my mainframe, I have to unpackage this panel and set it into the mainframe to ensure I adjust the mainframe accordingly. These glass panels were shipped upside down. I'm going to need to turn them right side up and ensure that these holes are facing the exterior. For best practices, use 2 people when inserting your glass panels into the mainframe. We're going to start inserting the top of the panel into the header first. We're going to swing the bottom and set it onto the track. After setting your panel onto the track, don't roll it until you adjust the rollers. Use a number 3 screwdriver, take the weight off the roller, and adjust the roller all the way. Once you get to the end, back it off a little bit and then set the panel down. Follow the same process with the other roller. I've adjusted the sliding glass door panel rollers, but now I need to adjust the mainframe. I can see how the panel does not catch the P-hook. I'm going to loosen the fasteners out of the mainframe, ensure the panel catches the P-hook, and begin installing my mainframe square, level, true, and plumb. I've adjusted the mainframe but did not completely secure it. I can see my panel catches the P-hook just right. I can now continue fastening my mainframe square, level, true, and plumb. My mainframe has been adjusted so the panel catches a P-hook. I'm going to mark where my mainframe's at. I'm going to remove the panel, remove the mainframe, and apply sealant to the inside perimeter of my opening. I'm going to set the mainframe back and start anchoring it to my substrate. When anchoring your track, drill through the pre-punched holes of your mainframe and get all that substrate dust out. Fill the cavity with sealant. You can even run your fastener through the tube of sealant and anchor your track down. After inspection, top off each head with sealant. The next step is to install panel number 1. I've cut the banding. I'm going to unpackage it, flip it around, ensure my adjustment screw holes are still facing exterior, and set it into my mainframe just like I did with panel number 2. Remember, when setting your glass panel, insert the top first, swing the bottom, and set it onto the track. For best practice, use a second person to assist. Before I start to roll panel 1, I'm going to adjust both rollers just like I did with panel number 2. Use a number 3 screwdriver and do not use an impact screw gun. I'm ready to seal and snap down the sill riser adapter. I'm going to apply sealant along this leg of the track. I'm going to set the sill riser adapter onto the track. Using a block and mallet, I can snap it down. Afterwards, I'm going to apply sealant up the dam legs of the sill riser adapter. To recap, I've now installed the mainframe with the P-hook and set both panels. In the next video, I'm going to perform the necessary adjustments and all the finishing touches to the door.